a further continuation of information technology intervention in the water sector. Okay, thanks.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. I am Chinay Ahmed, CEO and co-founder of Bangalore, Nimble Vision, we are Bangalore-based IoT startup. We are into smart water management using IoT and AI. NEES is the platform what we have developed. So if you can see these two pictures, it represents the current situation in India. It has been more than 70 years after independence, still India is reeling under water insecurity. We have reached Mars, but still we don't have a public tap in Bangalore. I live in IT capital of India, I don't have public tap. So this is the irony of India, and 90% of the rural India still don't have public tap. And these two pictures, real time, what is happening in India. We are, as Madam told already, what we saw at day 0 in India and Cape Town as well. We don't have water for drinking purpose itself. Why this is happening? Anybody has idea on this? Because in India, we don't have really any idea whether the people are really using it or wasting the water. I've been to multiple water expos like this, Chennai, Bangalore, Pune, and even Dubai as well. What I saw is people, water is there, we are using it, but we really don't have idea whether we are really using it or wasting it. So this is where we found that the technology is a need of the hour to bring this awareness to every user. So that is the reason we have come up with a solution called Need a Water Savior. So we combined a problem statement related to water, what we saw in India so far. The first thing is in India and other Asian countries, we have overhead tanks, underground tanks, where the water by gravity comes to each tap, flush, everything. The water gets distributed here. We don't have any how many liters water is available. That a lot of manual effort is required. You have to peek in, peek out, and see the water level. And the most important thing is there is no way to understand what activities I am doing at home and how much water I am using it. And we have this conventional water meters which only give information only how much water came to my house, but how the water being used by anyone. Let's say I have a family of 4 people, me and my wife and 2 kids, and we are using water entire 24/7. How what activities are doing at home and how many liters is used by each activity. And usually what happens is my kids are very small, they keep the tap open, or the flush, they do it in the wrong way and the water starts draining. We never come to know until both the tanks are empty. So these are the problems is part of every household in India, whether we have customers in Delhi, Pune, everywhere. So this is a problem statement what we have. And in Bangalore itself, the water leakage is 360 million liters per day. The BWSSB says this is the unaccounted water for them. They are spending 84 rupees per liter to get the water from all the way from Mysore to Bangalore, but they charge 8 rupees per liter. There is a lot of money, they lose it, and because of, imagine the amount of money they are losing because of all this unaccounted water. And government and India says a lot of statements, but there is no real-time data them to validate what the statements are making. There is no way the pin code based, city based, village based data is real-time is there. There is no data until today itself. So this is the infrastructure what we see in India and other Asian countries. Either it is a plastic tank or it is a cement tank. And manually and the automatic water level controls are there. What we thought is we need a solution which is a necessity of every building. It could be a home, it could be an apartment, it could be an industry, which is used to pump the water from underground tank to overhead tank. Why can't we make that receptor smart? So that is how the idea started, and that is the genesis of coming with the Nimble Vision as a startup here. We made this water controller itself is smart, which gives you a smart data analytics whether you are using the water or it is wasting the water. Every hourly consumption, each hour how many liters you are using in your house, you can track. Who came to your house? Your maid comes to your home at morning 8 to 9, she washes utensils, how many liters she took? You took all your bath, all that stuff, how many liters you use? All that real-time data, wherever you are, the data comes to you, and is any leakage is happening, a real-time leakage detector. It helps you to close running tap or flush leaking, all that. And this is how the technology works. A overhead tank, the 2 sensors, one in overhead tank, one in underground tank, this is a water level controller. So the complete solution what we have is a smart water level controller and meter. There is no separate meter is required from our solution. It is for individual homes, apartment and industries, very rich graphic dashboards, a real-time leakage detector and quality detector. As sir told, actually the quality is very important in India. What we made is a water control level with the quality parameters monitoring. TDS, PHP, ORP, chlorine, everything you can club with the water level controller itself. It has optional features. And a social, we all use social network platform just to share our photos and videos. We thought, why can't we make a better use of social network platform? We came with a feature where, let's say, two users are there, madam and sir are the users. They both can compare their water consumption live on our platform, and they can share all their dashboards live to anybody on Facebook, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, anywhere you can share. And you can share all your best practice the whole world. That I am saving this much water per family of four. As per the government mandate, we use only 130 liters per person per day, and that's what is our consumption. And for government, we can give live pin code based consumption, city based consumption, village based consumption on the fly. You don't have to do any manual survey. That is our solution in USP. So now we are working on a solution where village is the connectivity is the biggest challenge. We are working on a solution which will work without internet, because we can't expect internet connectivity in rural India, but we are working on a solution which works without internet. And still all the data can be made live available. So this is our dashboard. If you see, the first one is a live tank. You can see it gives update for every 10 minutes. Each liters of water variation you can see live. And hourly consumption you can see. Each hour how many liters are using. Continuous breakup will give for the current day. That is the past details. Each day how many liters are used in last 3 years, 4 years, you can track it. A centralized way to track for B2B people. You have multiple properties across India or the same city. In a single mobile app, you can track every tank, a road tanker. So these are web dashboards for B2B people, how they can track it. So this is the water savings, our already existing customers, how they are benefiting. A family of 4 people, before our solution, they are using more daily 600 liters and weekly 4,002 liters. Then it came by 30 to 50%. In Delhi also we have a customer, earlier 3 people, they were using 2,500 liters per day. There is a lot of wastage was there. Now with our solution, they have reduced the consumption by 500 liters per day. Even their electricity bill came 1/5 actually. So this is some stats, how we can help entire India, let's starting with a small family or village, the stats wise that. And what are the other derived benefits is less usage, less pumping and less electricity. All that is benefits for this. And also the unaccounted water can reduce. If you see in Bangalore with all the unaccounted water, if you are able to detect it, we don't have to depend on the tanker supply itself. As sir also told it, we are dependent on tankers. Our solution what additionally does is, it accurately tells the tanker guy how many liters he has filled in. That also is in our solution is available. Let's say tanker guy comes at evening 6 p.m. and how many liters fills, it is a trigger for you, saying that he has come here and he has filled these many liters for you. So social impact, we can help government and everybody who are interested in city-based, pin code-based consumption and a social network platform to bring the awareness. That is the need of the hour. That's what I feel that, because when I interact with many people, the data is the only way you can help people to educate, and that is what we have, a massive data analytics on water availability, water consumption, water wastage and water quality. And public water distribution. Currently, see the whole ecosystem, the billing, everything is done manually. With our solution, it can be completely automated. There is no way for you to go all the way to this pools and everything, pay bill. On the mobile phone itself, you can pay, and you can see all your past data as well in the mobile app itself. So we have built other variants when we participate other water expos, like the many people from RO industry and the swimming pool people came to me say that how can you make it more B2B oriented. Then we have come with a platform which can automate any water pumping system from RO or a water purifier plant or swimming pool or any pumping mechanism. It doesn't matter, it's hot water, cold water, all that can be done automated with our solution. So we believe in one nation, one solution. So we have customers from Chennai, Bangalore, Pune and even Delhi. So that's our solution, Neither Water Savior. So during the COVID time, we were sitting idle, what we should do? We came with a simple solution called Nivaran. It is a mobile-based thermometer which Aadhaar card integrated. So we help people remotely how the temperature can be taken remotely and the immediate data can be made available to the government. This we sold not only in India and outside India as well. So these are the awards we have been recognized or given for our effort in social impact and technology. Karnataka Elevate Grant, Bangalore Chamber of Commerce Grant, Pune Smart City Grant, Renesas, a Japanese Chip Maker Grant, and Bangalore Jalarshi Award for us. So finally, I would like to say, as Madam told, water is inherited. Rather, I go with Mahatma Gandhi. What he said, it is not inherited. We have learned from the future generation. So it is our responsibility that we should pass on this water to next generation without wasting it. So finally, I would say conserve water, save life. Thank you.